Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Dynatrap bulb is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the effectiveness of your Dynatrap insect control system, ensuring that it continues to lure and trap those annoying mosquitoes, flies, and other flying insects that disrupt your outdoor enjoyment and peace. This specific replacement bulb, the Dynatrap 41050, is designed to provide optimal UV light output, mimicking natural attractants to draw pests into the trap, and its longevity is crucial for uninterrupted protection throughout the season, making it a vital investment for anyone serious about reclaiming their yard from biting insects. Number 5. PACETAP 410507W Replacement Bulbs for Dynatrap. Tired of pesky insects disturbing your peace? These replacement bulbs are designed to effectively attract and eliminate them, creating a more comfortable environment for you. Our bulbs are compatible with a wide range of Dynatrap models, including DT250IN, DT300IN, DT1050, and many more. Ensure your trap is always ready to protect your space. Enjoy up to 3,000 hours of continuous use with each bulb. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing them every 4 months. This package includes 4 7W replacement bulbs, providing you with plenty for regular replacements. Keep your insect trap working efficiently without hassle. We ensure the quality of our products. If you encounter any issues with damaged or non-working bulbs upon arrival, please contact us for a replacement. Replacing your old bulbs is straightforward. Simply swap out the old one with a new one to restore your trap's effectiveness. What we like. This pack offers great value with 4 bulbs, ensuring you have spares. If you need a reliable and cost-effective solution for consistent mosquito control, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for those who want to stock up and avoid frequent purchases. What people say. It installed easily and seems to be a great fit with my Dynatrap. Easy to install and light quality is perfect for intention. When the light went out on our Dynatrap, I was concerned that I would have to purchase a whole new unit. I decided to give these a try and they are the perfect fit and works perfectly. It was super simple to install, I think just as bright as the original, and so far it has been going strong for about 6 months of continuous use. Number 4. Qualirey 410507W Bug Zapper Bulb Replacement. Introducing the Qualirey 41050 Replacement Bulb. This upgraded 7W bulb is designed to effectively attract and eliminate mosquitoes and other flying insects, ensuring a more comfortable outdoor experience. These bulbs are compatible with a wide range of Dynatrap models, including DT1050, DT1100, and DT1250. Enjoy peace of mind knowing they'll fit seamlessly with your existing trap. With an impressive lifespan of up to 5,000 hours, these bulbs offer extended protection against pests. You can rely on them for long-term use, keeping your space bug-free. Featuring an upgraded dual-color design, these bulbs emit both blue-violet light to attract mosquitoes and ultraviolet light for flies and moths. This dual action ensures comprehensive pest control. Operating at just 7W, these bulbs provide 360-degree coverage without attracting beneficial insects like honeybees. Enjoy effective pest control that's also environmentally conscious. Get a pack of 4 replacement bulbs and reclaim your outdoor spaces. Say goodbye to annoying mosquitoes and enjoy your time without constant buzzing. What we like. Experience enhanced pest control with its upgraded dual-color bulb, attracting a wider range of insects. If you're looking for a longer-lasting solution that targets more than just mosquitoes, this is the one for you. It's ideal for areas with diverse insect populations. What people say. The Dynatrap Replacement Bulb 41050 is a direct replacement for the original bulb. This bulb effectively attracts mosquitoes and other flying insects to the trap. The bulb has a long lifespan, providing continuous protection for an extended period. Number 3. Dynatrap 41050 UV Replacement Bulb. Introducing the Dynatrap 41050 UV Replacement Bulb. This is the essential component for your Dynatrap mosquito and flying insect trap. Ensure your trap continues to work effectively with this vital part. These bulbs are specifically designed for a range of Dynatrap models. They are engineered to fit seamlessly and restore your trap's full functionality. The fluorescent UV light is key to attracting mosquitoes and other flying insects. It naturally lures them into the trap, providing effective pest control. For optimal trapping power, it's recommended to replace the bulbs every 3,000 hours. This is approximately every 4 months to ensure continuous protection. Keep replacement bulbs on hand to ensure your Dynatrap is always ready. Never miss a beat in protecting your space from mosquitoes and insects. Each package includes 2 7-watt bulbs. This ensures your Dynatrap mosquito and insect trap operates at its fullest potential for longer. What we like. Ensure peak performance with this genuine Dynatrap replacement bulb, designed specifically for your trap. If you prioritize maintaining the original effectiveness of your Dynatrap and want guaranteed compatibility, this is the best option. It's perfect for users who trust the brand's engineering. What people say. The Dynatrap replacement bulb 41050 is a direct replacement for the original bulb, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. This bulb emits a specific UV light spectrum that effectively attracts a wide range of flying insects, including mosquitoes, flies, and moths. The bulb has a long lifespan, providing consistent performance for up to 6 months before needing replacement. Number 2. 2-pack bug zapper replacement fluorescent bulbs. Introducing our 2-pack replacement bulbs, designed to keep your existing bug zapper working effectively. These bulbs are compatible with a wide range of Dynatrap models, ensuring a perfect fit for your needs. These bulbs emit a specific UV light wavelength that naturally attracts mosquitoes and other flying insects. Enjoy a pest-free environment without the need for harmful pesticides or chemicals. With a 360-degree beam angle, these 7W bulbs effectively attract mosquitoes and black flies. Importantly, they are designed not to attract beneficial insects like honeybees. Each bulb is built to last, providing up to 5,000 hours of continuous use. This means you can rely on them for extended periods to keep your living space free from insects. This package includes 2 7W UV mosquito light replacement bulbs. You'll have more than enough to ensure your bug zapper is always ready to protect your home. What we like. Enjoy extended protection with a remarkable 5,000-hour lifespan, offering long-term peace of mind. If you're seeking an effective, chemical-free way to manage pests and want a bulb that lasts significantly longer, consider this option. It's great for those who want to set it and forget it for longer periods. What people say. The Dynatrap 41050 replacement bulb is designed to attract and trap insects. This bulb is a direct replacement for the Dynatrap 41050 model, ensuring proper fit and function. The UV light emitted by the bulb attracts a wide variety of flying insects. Number 1. Dynatrap 41050 replacement bulbs, 2-pack. Introducing the perfect replacement bulbs for your Dynatrap. Ensure your trap continues to operate effectively with these essential components. These bulbs are designed to fit a wide range of Dynatrap models, including DT250IN, DT300IN, DT1050, and many more. Check compatibility for your specific unit. Keep your Dynatrap working around the clock, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Enjoy uninterrupted protection against pests. For the best results, it's recommended to replace your bulbs every 3,000 hours, which is about every 4 months. This ensures peak performance. Installation is simple and straightforward. Each package includes 2 7W bulbs and clear instructions to get you started quickly. What we like. Keep your Dynatrap running seamlessly with this easy-to-install replacement. If you value simplicity and want to ensure your trap is always operational without hassle, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for users who want a quick and straightforward solution to maintain their pest control. What people say. These are perfect replacements and work just the same as factory. We ordered these and they worked beautifully. One bulb lasted us the entire summer. These replacement bulbs worked perfectly with my Dynatrap unit. The installation was straightforward and took just a few minutes. The black light is bright and effective at attracting insects. I've noticed consistent performance since installing them, and they seem to be of good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.